Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are safe at home now. Yes. In previous video, what I said na? Yes, question and answers. Revise the question and answers. How many questions revise? 2 questions. Okay, which lesson? 3 questions are revising now. Which lesson? Lesson 4. What is the subject? English. What is the today our subject? English. Our subject is English. What is the lesson name, children? Fourth lesson, going to school. Now, today is our subject, English subject. I am your English teacher. Okay. Yes, going to school lesson explanation part, full part is completed in previous videos. Already revising part also completed 2 videos. First hard words, next meanings. Previous video 21 given 3 question answers revision. Now remaining 2 questions are there. Now I will revise that 2 question answers. Okay children. Now, once remember the first 3 question answers. First question, who is Kapil? What is the answer children? Who is Kapil? Who is Kapil? Kapil is a student. Kapil is a student. Okay. Who is Kapil children? Already explained no? The 3 answers in the previous video. Who is Kapil? Kapil is a student. Okay. Next second question. What is the second question? How old is Kapil? Kapil is 6 years old. What is the second question? How old is Kapil? Kapil is 6 years old. Now third question is, when does Kapil come back to morning walk? Morning walk means eppudu vachadu Kapil. Kapil comes back at 6:30. Kapil comes back at 6:30. The 3 question answers completed in video number 21. Now, remaining 2 question answers are there. Now, I will show the 2 question answers. Now, fourth question. Come on, get the board children. Fourth question. Look at the board clearly. Come on, see the spelling. W-H-E-R-E, where. W-H-E-R-E, where. Where does D-O-E-S does. Where does Kapil, what is the spelling of Kapil children? K-A-P-I-L, Kapil. Go early in the morning. E-R-L-Y, early in the morning. Early in the morning. What is the spelling of morning? M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Once the question is lengthy question. Come on, look at the board clearly. Where, W-H-E-R-E, where does D-O-E-S does, where does Kapil, K-A-P-I-L, Kapil, go, G-O, go, early, E-R-L-Y, early, in the morning. Where means ekkadaki. Morning, morning, if you get up early in the morning, no? Kapil is get up early in the morning. Morning, where should you go? Where should you go, children? Yes, Kapil go for a morning walk. Kapil go for a morning walk. That is the answer. Come on, look at the board answer. Kapil. What is the spelling of Kapil children? K-A-P-I-L. Kapil. Kapil goes. G-O-E-S. Goes. Kapil goes for a morning walk. F for a morning walk, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning walk. Now complete the answer, put full stop. Okay. Now see the answer. Kapil, K-A-P-I-L, Kapil, goes, G-O-E-S, goes, for, F-O-R, for, A, morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. What is the spelling of morning? M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning, walk. W-A-L-K, walk, morning. Kapil goes for a morning walk. Where does Kapil go early in the morning, children? Kapil goes for a morning walk. Once look at the question. Where does Kapil go early in the morning? Where does Kapil go early in the morning? Now what is the answer? Kapil goes for a morning walk. Kapil goes for a morning walk. Did you understand the answer? Where does Kapil go early in the morning? Where? W-H-E-R-E, where? Where does Kapil go early in the morning? Now answer is Kapil goes for a morning walk. Okay? Now fifth question. Now go to the fifth question. W-H-A-T, what? W-H-A-T, what? What does D-O-E-S does? What does Kapil? Here Kapil, so many times repeated the Kapil. Why? Because the lesson very important person is Kapil. This lesson about Kapil now. That's why here every question Kapil is repeated so many times. He is the important person in the lesson. Did you understand? What does Kapil take for breakfast? T-A-K-E, take for breakfast. Breakfast means food taken in the morning. You know already. Food taken in the morning, we call it breakfast. B-R-E-A-K, break. F-A-S-T, fast. Yes. Before going to school, all children taking breakfast, no? Like this, here Kapil also taking breakfast every day before going to school. All works are completed after he taking breakfast. What is he taking in the breakfast? Come on. You know answer? What is taking in the breakfast? What tiffin is taking in the breakfast, children? Yes, Kapil takes. What is taking? Kapil takes milk and eggs or bread and butter for breakfast. Okay, did you understand the lesson? Yes. Did you remember that answer? What is taking in the breakfast? Kapil, what is taking in the breakfast? Milk and eggs or bread and butter. Okay, this is the answer. Now, Kapil, K-A-P-I-L, Kapil. Kapil takes, T-A-K-E-S, takes. Kapil takes, what is taking in the breakfast, children? Milk and eggs. M-I-L-K, milk. Did you take milk every day, children? Yes. Milk and eggs are very good for health. Okay, that's why everyone should take morning in the morning breakfast milk and eggs. Milk and eggs. These are very good for health. Milk and eggs or another breakfast. Milk and eggs or bread and butter. Bread. What is the spelling of bread, children? B-R-E-A-D, bread. Bread and butter. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Come on, once see that, look at the board. Kapil takes milk and eggs or bread and butter in the breakfast. Okay, Kapil takes milk and eggs or bread and butter for a lengthy answer. That's why I learned properly. This is lengthy answer. In prep class, you are small one-word answers or one-sentence answers. You know. You are come to the first class, no? Yes. That's why some lengthy answers are there in the first class. Learn properly. Come on. Look at the board. Fifth question. What does WHAT what? WHAT what? Does. DOES does. DOES does. What does? Kapil. KAPIL Kapil. KAPIL Kapil. Take. TAKE take. TAKE take. For. FOR for. FOR for. Breakfast. BREAK break. FAST fast. Breakfast. What does Kapil take for breakfast? Once repeat the question. Once look at the board, children, clearly. What does Kapil take for breakfast? Now answer. Kapil takes milk. Spelling, learn spelling, children. MILK milk. MILK milk. MILK milk. Milk and eggs. EGGS eggs. EGGS eggs. Milk and eggs or ORR. Bread. What is the spelling of bread? BREAD bread. BREAD bread. BREAD bread. Bread and bread and butter. BUTTER butter. BUTTER butter. For 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 breakfast. BREAK break. FAST fast. Breakfast. Come on. Kapil takes milk and eggs or bread and butter for breakfast. This is the fifth answer. Okay. Come on, once repeat the fourth and fifth questions. Where does Kapil go early in the morning? Where does Kapil go early in the morning? Now come on, answer. Kapil goes for a morning walk. Kapil goes for a morning walk. Next, go to the fifth question. What does Kapil take for breakfast? What does Kapil take for breakfast? Now answer is Kapil takes milk and eggs or bread and butter for breakfast. Okay, children, how many question answers are repeated in this lesson? 5 question answers are repeated in this lesson. Okay, learn properly. You watch online classes very carefully. Okay, next one is another one exercise is there. The exercise is tick the right or wrong. Okay, did you understand the question and answers all, children? How many questions? 5 questions. Okay, 5 questions to learn properly. Now, next exercise is same in this lesson only. 4th lesson only, going to school only, amma. Okay, children, did you understand the 5 question answers now? Next, come on, next exercise. Tick right or wrong. What is the exercise, children? Tick right or wrong. Okay, here are some sentences given. Which is correct answer? You put tick mark. Which is wrong answer? You put into mark. Okay, did you understand? Tick right or wrong. Tick right or wrong. Yes, down some sentence given. One sentence is correct, one sentence is wrong. You identify the which is the correct sentence, you put tick mark. Which is the wrong answer, you put into mark. Come on. Now read the sentence very carefully. First sentence. Kapil. Say among again Kapil. Kapil. This is lesson full Kapil only. Kapil is, come on, read the sentence. Kapil is a student. Kapil is a student. Now read the sentence once, children. After complete the sentence, what I would full stop. Kapil is a student. Now, did you understand the lesson now? Yes, that's right. You say this is correct or wrong? The sentence is correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? Yes, correct only. Why? Because Kapil is a student, no? You go to the school every day. Yes, mark in the box. Did you understand this exercise? Yes, this exercise, tick right or wrong. What is the exercise, children? Tick right or wrong. Right or wrong. Right or wrong. Okay. First sentence, once read the sentence. You understand the sentence. After put right or wrong. Now, Kapil is a student. Simply you identify the sentence. It is correct or wrong. Simple. Okay, Kapil is a student. It's right or wrong? Right. Now go to the second sentence. Now I am writing another sentence. You read properly and identify it is correct or wrong. Now, Kapil, K-A-P-I-L, Kapil. Kapil takes, T-A-K-E-S, takes. Kapil takes juice. J-U-I-C-E, juice. Come on, read the word once, repeat. J-U-I-C-E, juice. Did you take juice? Yes. Juice are made of fruits. Okay, banana juice, mango juice, and next pineapple juice. No? Yes, here Kapil takes juice and chapati. Did you eat chapati, children? Yes, chapati. Do you like chapati? Chapati. C-H-A-P-A-T-I. Chapati. Okay. Again. C-H-A-P-A-T-I. Chapati. Kapil takes juice and chapati for breakfast. For breakfast. B-R-E-A-K, break. F-A-S-T, fast. Breakfast. Okay. Now here bracket is given. Now once read the sentence, you identify it is correct or wrong. Kapil takes juice and chapati for breakfast. Did you understand? It is correct or wrong? Come on, say the answer. It is wrong answer. It is the wrong sentence. It is wrong. Why? Because Kapil takes milk and eggs or bread and butter for breakfast. In this lesson, Kapil takes milk and eggs or bread and butter for the breakfast. But in this sentence, what is given? Kapil takes juice. J-U-I-C-E, juice. Juice and chapati. C-H-A-P-A-T-I. Chapati for breakfast. It is wrong sentence. Kapil did not take chapati and juice. Kapil take milk and eggs or bread and butter for breakfast. And that is the correct answer. But it is wrong sentence. That's why you put wrong mark in the box. Wrong mark in the box. Did you understand this one? Yes. Kapil takes juice and chapati. C-H-A-P-A-T-I, chapati for breakfast. Is correct or wrong? Simple identify. In this sentence is correct. Actually correct. What is the correct sentence? Kapil takes milk and eggs or bread and butter. But here what is given? Juice and chapati is given. This is wrong. That's why you put into mark in the box. Did you understand? Now go to the third sentence. Third one, simply you see the third one, ma. Read the sentence and catch it answer. Kapil's. Yes, apostrophe. Okay, Kapil's school. This school belongs to Kapil. Here S apostrophe put down. What is the meaning of S apostrophe? The school belongs to Kapil. Okay, that's why here S apostrophe. Kapil's school is near. N-E-A-R, near. Near his H-I-S, his house. H-O-U-S-E, house. Near his house. Kapil's school is near his house. Come on. Once remember the lesson. What is the correct or wrong? Come on, look at the board. Kapil's school is near his house. It is right or wrong? Come on, say the answer. Yes, it is right sentence. Why? Kapil's school is near his house, no? That's why Kapil is going to school by walk only. Okay? He is going to school by mark in the box. It is correct sentence. Now go to the fourth sentence. Come on, read the sentence, children. Kapil. 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 Kapil always. ALWAYS always. Always, regularly, always. Reaches. Always reaches. School. Late. LATE, late. Okay. Come on, read the sentence. Kapil always reaches school late. Kapil reaches school late? No, he is very punctual on his work. Kapil is a punctual boy. He never late to school. He go to school in time every day. Every day he go to the school in time. That's why all teachers like the Kapil, no? Yes, that's why once remember the lesson. What is the lesson? The Kapil is a punctual boy. Kapil reaches the school in time. He is going to school regularly. Okay, that's why this answer is correct. This sentence is correct sentence. Kapil always reaches school late. See here, what given late? Kapil is going to school early. Avuna? Kapil is going to school in time. Here what is given? Kapil always reaches school late. Here given late. Here given in time given, amma? No. What is given here? Late given. LATE, late given. That's why this answer is right or wrong? Wrong. This answer is wrong. Okay, Kapil is punctual boy. He never late to school. He go to the school in time only. Here, but here sentence is given. Kapil reaches the school late. Which is answer is wrong. We put into in the box. Okay, did you understand? Once we repeat this answer. Kapil always reaches school late. It is right or wrong? Wrong. Okay, once see the four, tick the right or wrong, the four sentences. Okay, Kapil is a student? Yes, right. Kapil takes juice and chapati for breakfast? Wrong. Kapil's school is near his house? Yes, right. Kapil always reaches the school late? No, it is wrong. Okay, did you understand that? Tick the right or wrong? Okay, children. Remaining part I will teach in the